Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Medium School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class on the based on creative question and MCQ of the chapter 8, which belongs to your textbook. So let us move for today's topic. Dear students, in your book chapter 10, the name of the chapter is acid, base and salt, and from that chapter the exercise multiple choice question today we will solve first, then we will solve the exercise creative question 1 and 2 answer. Come to the MCQ. First MCQ, what type of acid are there in tomato? Acetic acid, oxalic acid, malic acid, citric acid. Dear students, we know in tomato there is oxalic acid, so answer will be B. Dear students, second one, which acid is edible? Here nitric acid is not edible, hydrochloric acid is not edible, and sulfuric acid will not edible. These all are mineral acids, so answer will be D. Now come to next one. Read the following sentence and give the answer to the question number 3 and 4. Adil once carried out a reaction between zinc and hydrochloric acid. First one, that is question number 3. The compound produced by the reaction is salt, base, water. In your book that is printing mistake, that is written alkali, that will be water. So which one of the following is correct? 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, and 1, 2 and 3. Dear students, the answer will be one and 3. But here we know when acid react with zinc, it produces salt and hydrogen gas. So here it will be salt and hydrogen gas. Now come to the 4. What will be produced if there is a reaction between the carbonate containing salt and second compound will be, we know if the hydrochloric acid react with carbonate, it will produce the carbon dioxide gas. So answer will be carbon dioxide gas. Now come to the CQ of the chapter. And Farah likes only fatty food. Recently she is often feeling stomach pain. When he met the doctor, he was told that he got acidity. Doctor besides advising him about changing his food habit and prescribed him a medicine. Dear students, this is CQ 1 of your exercise. Now first question is what is salt? Second question is what is meant by milk of lime? Third question is what types of medicine did the doctor prescribe and why he do so? Now come to question D. What type of compound is the component that is producing the acid referred in the paragraph and why? Explain. The first question was what is salt? The answer is salt is a neutral material which is produced by chemical reaction between an acid and base. But we know when the reaction between metal and acid, there will be also product is salt, and if there is carbonate, the react with acid between carbonate, there will be the common product is salt. Now come to the B. The answer of B is, the question was what is meant by milk of lime. The answer is dilute solution of calcium hydroxide is known as lime water. If excess calcium hydroxide is added to lime water, the produced paste of calcium hydroxide is known as milk of lime. Its another name is shelf lime. Now come to question C. Question was what type of medicine did the doctor prescribe and why did he do so? The answer is doctor prescribed Farah to take antacid, which is a basic medicine. Then hydrochloric acid produced in our stomach due to the digestion of our food. Due to the food habit of Farah, excessive hydrochloric acid produced in stomach. To neutralize this acid, antacid is used. Antacid medicine is basically magnesium hydroxide, which can be obtained both in suspension or as tablet. Hydrochloric acid neutralized by this alkali and pain in the stomach is recovered. Now question D was, what type of compound is in the component that is producing the acid referred in the paragraph and why? Explain. The question answer is, hydrochloric compound is responsible for the acidity of Farah, which is acid. Due to the following properties of hydrochloric, it is considered as acid. First one, hydrochloric compound is sour in taste. Second one, hydrochloric is an acid because in water it dissociates in hydrogen ion and chlorine ion. Since it releases a proton in water and it is an acid. Now come to next, that hydrochloric acid react with base to form a salt and water. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide, this is base, produce sodium chloride and water, it is salt and water. And last is, it changes the color of litmus paper from blue to red, it is the characteristics of acid too. That means because of these four characteristics, the hydrochloric is considered as acid in the stem. Now come to the next question of the exercise. Monsura occasionally chew betel leaves. On one day she put lime in water in a pot. After some time she observed that the pot was become hot. She also marked that when she was taking some lime from the pot, the lime water turns cloudy due to her breath reaching the lime water. The first question, what is alkali? Second question, why the lime water turns cloudy? Third question, explain the various uses of the watery compound in the Monsura pot. And last question, explain the fact that the first compound in the paragraph shows the properties of both alkali and base. Now come to the answer of A. Question was, what is alkali? The answer is, the metallic oxide or hydroxide who is dissolved in water is called alkali. Now come to next question. Next question was, why the lime water turns cloudy? Come to answer, carbon dioxide is released when we breathe out. Then this carbon dioxide react with lime water and produce insoluble calcium carbonate. Due to this insoluble calcium carbonate, lime water turns cloudy. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide, which released from the Monsura's breathing and produce calcium carbonate. It is insoluble in water and water. And come to next question answer, that question is, explain the various uses of watery compound in Monsura's pot. Watery compound in Monsura's pot is calcium oxide or lime. Its chemical formula is calcium CaO and its uses are given below. First one, to build houses and buildings. Now come to dilute solution, dear students. This is the solution of calcium hydroxide or lime water is used to whitewash the houses and buildings. Now come to cement. Calcium oxide is a key ingredient for the process of making cement. Now come to in agriculture. Milk of lime, which is produced from the calcium oxide, is used to kill the insects of crops. Now come to next one, chemical industry. Then it is used to produce important compound in the industry such as soda lime and as the matter of extraction of metals. Now come to the question answer D. Dear students, that will be your homework. Question D will be your homework. It is your homework number 19. And question is, explain the fact that the first compound in the paragraph shows the properties of both an alkali and base. So in the question there is written saying that Mansura occasionally chewed the betel leaves. One day she poured lime in the water. So we have to discuss about lime. It is its properties is both of an alkali and base. Mansura keep lime in the water of a pot. As a result, calcium oxide is produced by the reaction of lime and water. And calcium oxide, we know metallic oxide and hydroxide is known as alkali, and we know it is also dissolved in water or soluble in water, and that's why it also alkali. This is another component of alkali, and it is slippery. It's also another characteristics of alkali. Then its taste is basic or pungent. That means it also shows another 4 characteristics of alkali. First one, it is a metallic. We know the metallic oxide and hydroxide is known as base and alkali, because it is alkali because it is dissolved in water. We know which base is dissolved in water, that are alkali. And next point will be it is slippery, and it is also a properties of alkali. And last one, its taste is basic, that is also properties of base. And we know all the alkalis are based, but all the base are not alkalis, because the lime is a calcium hydroxide is a alkali. It is both alkali and base. It is your homework. You have to write this question answer as your homework. You can take help from your book, and you will submit on Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. Read the chapter properly. This is too much important chapter, and this is the basic information. So you have to learn all the properties of acid and base. Do the SW and submit it properly. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.